too small for the
Zip line.
the zip line. You want to try the zip line?
Oh, I was so old, Mama.
Yeah, when you grow old, you will try zip line. But you like the coaster also?
Yes.
Did you shout there?
No.
You were not scared.
It's funny. You scared, Mama.
Yeah, I was scared. And then you like it. You said earlier you like it when we stay in the hotel in new home. You like sleeping in the hotel?
Yes.
Then driving in the car, traveling with Mama and Papa. You like it? You enjoy? Let's do it again.
Yes.
Mm.
Later, Mama. Later.
Let's tell Papa. Later
Yeah.
because we need to save money also. Because we need money if we go for vacation.
Yes.
That's why Mama and Papa needs to work.
No, I wanted mixer truck by no mixer truck. But I wanted.
But it's okay, even if you don't off all the toys, we can travel. We can enjoy also. You remember
Mom,
the the
thank
coaster?
you, Mama.
You're welcome. Even if no toys, the toys are not so important. You have so many toys, but it's nice if we go on travel like that. You enjoy with coaster. You see, what else did you see? The one that you saw on the road? The big one, the big animal. What is that?
Cow.
Reindeer.
Reindeer.
Reindeers, di ba? Daming reindeers.
No cow.
And then you eat ice cream. When you ice cream, you like it.
Mama, that's you. That's you, Mama. What is it? Naughty, naughty, Mama.
Okay, let's